time. I put a lot of fire underneath there. Hopefully it gets hotter quicker. It should work in that case. Success, guys, is heat, more heat, and just adjusting this to the right. And there's the light going as well, guys. Oops, sorry. As you can see, the light flashing there as well. Light flashing there, guys. Call it a success, thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Finally done it. Problem was the heat. Try a bit more. No, too tight. Try this one a bit more. Hi everyone. So I finally got it to work, as you can see, and what I learned from it is basically you gotta get this really hot very quickly to put the pressure through there into there. As you can see, I put a thin piece here which I had with me, and it worked beautifully. So steam was escaping, but it was escaping from around these things here. So that's why you saw me adjusting, tightening and loosening these things as I went along to make sure that it wasn't binding, but it was working nicely. I'm surprised how well it did work, because I do like this design. To me it's incredible to have a boiler this size to run this. Okay, so I don't think there was a lot of torque on it. There's not much power to run it, but there was enough power to drive this little wheel here to light this. I like the idea that they got really nice dynamo in here to light this one. I'm sure this is a very low voltage bulb, which I don't know what the voltage is. I haven't tested it at the moment. So what am I doing? I want to look at the design more closely. So if I take this one off here, and let's have a look, because as you know, steam engines have 2 holes. As far as I know, I only saw 1 hole in this one, and I wonder where the other one is. Okay guys, so I'll drop the spring on this one here, so I have to open the next one. Okay, so basically what I like about this is that the spring is on this side of the engine here, which means that it holds it against this thing by putting this screw into there like this, instead of like normally we have this spring on this side of the engine and we tighten the screw up there. So that was amazing. So I haven't really had a look at the piston, but I don't know if you can see, but the piston doesn't start here, it starts there. All there is a piston, and there is the piston itself. But what I found is a groove in there. I'm wondering what that groove is for. So I'm looking for my second hole, and I think I just found it. Okay, so I'm having a close-up look here, and because obviously there's got to be 2 holes, right? Well, the first hole is there, where your pipe goes in, the air or steam comes in through there. That's your first hole. The second hole is there, but there's no hole there. It's a slot. It's a little tiny slot. I don't know if you can see it. Very tiny slot there, like this. And so there's no hole there. So obviously, what's happening is, when we look at this, the hole is there, and when that goes to the hole here where the steam comes in, steam is going in, it's coming out, and when this moves, obviously the piston pushes back up and the steam comes out, but it's coming out through the slot here and coming away from there. So I like the clever design of this. I mean, you could just as well put a hole there, to be honest with you, and it will still do the same thing. So yeah, I like this design. I like the way this kind of holds onto there. It's very, very free indeed. So yeah, I like the way the gears are working so nicely as well, contacting this. Very, very little friction to turn that dynamo to make it go. Should be working. Oh, because I haven't got it connected this side. There you go. Very nice indeed. Yeah, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I enjoyed finding out the reason why I couldn't get it going. Now I know you need a lot of heat here, and it does work. So yeah, subscribe, thumbs up, and take care.